So today I have a new styling service box to share with you guys, and it is from Drape Fit. So let's go ahead and get started unpacking what is in here. I'm excited to see it. It's going to be a complete surprise to me, and then I'll do a try on as well. So let's get started. So Drape Fit is a clothing subscription service. It does have a $20 styling fee, but if you decide to purchase anything from the box, that $20 does go toward anything that you purchase at checkout. And then you do have 5 days to try everything on and then send anything back that you don't want. So I'm excited to try this. Now they do have a style profile, that quiz that you'll fill out when you get started. I just wanted to try this one because they actually did reach out to me and ask if I wanted to try their subscription service. So I was like, yes, let me check this out because it seemed to be a little bit more budget friendly. And I did pick the box of $20 to $30 for most of my pieces. So this is gonna be really budget friendly, I believe. And I'm excited to see kind of what the quality of their clothing is. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see what is inside. So when you open it, here's what you're gonna see. So you've got a bundle wrapped up, and I'm looking to see, it looks like on the bottom, you're gonna have this card that's probably gonna have the invoice and a note from the stylist in here. So I do see that in here, so that's what's gonna be in this card right here. And then you do have your package to send anything back that you don't want to keep. And I think they said that there's about 5 to 6 pieces that they'll be sending you. Okay, so here is what it looks like, and I'm loving the red and the blue. Those are my colors, you guys, and this hot pink. This has me a little bit excited. It looks like there's some denim in here as well. So the first thing is going to be this top. So it has a zipper at the top, and then it looks like some buttons down here at the bottom. It's in a size medium, and I don't see a brand on here, so I guess it is their brand. It's the half zipper button trim hem fit top in black, size medium. And this red one has a little bit of bling here on the shoulders, a little bit of silver detail with a heart on there. This is from Manor. I'm not familiar with this brand. It's the flowy halter top in color red and is in a size medium. Nice and flowy. I like them when they're not fitted. And then this color blue is gorgeous, you guys. I love a royal blue. So this is from Vine and Love, and it is the short sleeve, comfortable blouse, size 6 in royal blue. I hope it's gonna fit because I'm usually like a size 8, so it's got some smocking here on the sleeves, but that's a gorgeous color. I had to laugh because this is what I see when I look down at the denim. It says hide your muffin top. Love that. So these are from Royalty. They're a high-rise Bermuda, okay? I'm not a fan of Bermuda shorts, but we'll see. I'll give it a try. I'll give anything a try. And these say they have perfect tummy control. So this is the 3-button slim stretch Bermuda shorts, size 8. Looks like they do have like a 3-button closure and a zipper. They're not just a pull-on style, so we'll see. Maybe if I could roll them up and them not be tight on my thighs, but I don't like a Bermuda length, I do know that. And then this beautiful color here. This is from Solution. Oh, and this is a dress, you guys. And this is a V-neck ruffled tiered maxi dress, size 8, color pink. Really pretty. I like when there's smocking at the waist, so it gives it a little bit of stretch, and there's a tiered detail. So let's go ahead and start with the try on. So I decided to try the dress on first. I love this beautiful pink color, and it's a great length. It is a maxi, and it hits me right at the ankle, so good length for this one. I could wear it with heels or flats. I like the waist has this smocking, so it makes it nice and comfortable, and I love the tier detail, V-neck, and the straps are wide enough. You can wear a regular bra. I feel like it looks a little bit straight, so I'm not sure if it's very flattering or not, but I think it's nice and breathable. Love the length of it, love the color of it. It fits comfortably. I think it fits really nicely. I just don't know if it does anything for me. And let's see, this is the V-neck ruffled tiered maxi dress. Gosh, you guys, this is $28.99. Okay, you guys, sometimes I have to laugh at myself because when I put something on, of the things that go through my mind. Okay, so let's talk about the top first. So I think this is a cute top with the buttons here on the side. Then it does have this zipper detail. But when I put this on, looked in the mirror, I was like, it looks like I have a bodysuit on that I haven't like buttoned at the bottom, or it looks like it has an arrow that just points like in this direction because it has these little slits right here. And I don't know if this was maybe like straight across, that might be a little bit different, and that might look a little bit different to me and be cute because I like the little button detail that's right here, and I think that's cute. But other than that, I think the fit's good on this. I think it's in a size medium, so it does fit nicely. Now, these shorts, if these shorts were like in a 5-inch inseam, these shorts would be perfection because they're nice and stretchy. You see how much that stretches, you guys? But I don't like a Bermuda length because I think it makes me look a little bit shorter. It kind of cuts my legs off and makes me look a little bit frumpier looking maybe. And I'm afraid if I tried to roll them up, they're going to be tight in this thigh area. These are really nice. It's stretchy and comfortable. I love the top of these. They kind of almost remind me of the Wit and Wisdom. So the top is the half zipper button trim hem fit top. It's $28.99. And then these shorts are the 3-button slim stretch Bermuda shorts in size 8. Tops in a medium, $32.99. So I just kept the shorts on just because that's the only bottoms I have in this box. But I love this top, you guys. Of course, it's in this blue color. I love this blue color. It's got a great V-neck, and it has almost like a dressier feel to it. So you could really dress this up and wear this with some work pants and have a good work look if you wanted to do that, or you could wear it with denim. I love that it has the smocking here at the bottom of the sleeves, and it has a little puff on the sleeves. So it's got a little bit of pleating here, and it gives it a slight puff. But I like this. It's lightweight. I love this color, you guys. And again, it's one of those longer sleeves. So I think I like this top. I have it front tucked, but let me just kind of show you the length of it. So I like this, and it's just not looking right with these Bermuda shorts, but I think with some white bottoms, this will be really cute. I have a pair of linen pants I think this will be really cute with that are white. So the top is the short sleeve comfortable blouse, size 6, which surprises me because I usually am an 8, and I'm surprised at how much room I have in this. I thought it might be a little bit tight fitting, but it's not. And this one's $29.99. So here's the last item. It's that red flowy halter style top. So I do have just regular bra, and of course it's not gonna work with this because it is a halter style. It's got that cute little detail up here. That's like a heart button, but it came undone whenever I was trying it on, and I can't for the life of me figure out how to get this snap back. I've just tried it every different way and I can't figure it out. I'll have to take it off and figure it out. I do have this front tuck because this is really long and it is very flowy. You can see how big and flowy this is, but just look when it's untucked how long this is. So I mean, this could be something that you could wear with leggings because it does have bottom coverage if you want to do that. Obviously it does not look right with these Bermuda shorts, but I just had these on as the bottom since that's what in here. So it does look okay if you have it front tucked, but this is big and flowy. There's a lot of material to this one. So this top is the flowy halter top, size 8, and it's $27.99. So altogether, everything out of this box is $148.95. And then if you purchase everything, you do get a 25% off discount, which would take $37.24 off, having the subtotal as $111. Then when you add taxes and everything, the total for all 5 things, if I kept everything with the 25% discount, would be $122.36. So that's not bad for a pair of shorts, 3 tops, and a dress for $122.38. That's not a bad price at all. So this is a great budget-friendly subscription service. This is my first fix, and I think the only thing that I ever did was do a style quiz. So they basically only had my style profile and my style quiz to go by, and I think she did a really good job for the first time to not even know anything and to not have any feedback from any previous boxes. I think this was pretty good. So I'm gonna be able to check out and do a little bit more feedback and see what she can come up with next time. A really good box, but I think maybe the only thing that I'm gonna keep out of this box is that blue top. Let me know what you guys think about this box, and if you've tried Drape Fit, do you like it? So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.